Watch this video carefully to the end to understand binaries and when you should install specific firmware files for your camera. You can also use this method to update your camera. But one mistake and you could brick your device, or it might not work at all. I'll guide you step by step how you can recover your Canon EOS 2000D and fix the loading loop if you encountered this error.
So here, I have the Canon EOS 2000D. The device is stuck. As you can see from the screen, it is stuck on the loading message. The next step, you'll need the firmware. You can't download and flash older firmware, and you cannot check your firmware version because it is stuck on the loading screen.
Well, in this case, you cannot turn off the camera. As you can see, I've tried switching off the camera, but it is not working. Check your battery level. Do not attempt to press OK or start the flash with only 20% battery. One mistake, and you could brick your device permanently. You must charge the battery to 100% before proceeding. If you are stuck on the update screen and cannot exit or turn off with the menu button, safely pull the battery and charge it first. Now what you want to do is go to your PC. Make sure you have your SD card reader plugged in. Go to the official support site and download the latest firmware. For this model, we are looking for version 1.3.0. This is very important because it will provide the right firmware binary for your specific device. This is very important. Never try to install something that doesn't match the hardware requirement. You must go upward to the latest version for stability. Once you are up, you cannot come down easily, so keep that in mind when doing this. Extract the zip file and find the file ending in .fir. This is the only file you need. Make sure your SD card is formatted correctly. If the camera says the file cannot be found, it is because you didn't put it in the root directory. Do not put the file inside any folders. It must be loose on the card so the camera can see it immediately. Once the battery is full, insert the SD card and the battery. Turn the camera on and wait for the loading screen to finish. Now you see the confirmation. Current version 1.1.0 to update version 1.3.0. Since we have a full charge, we can now press OK. The camera will start the update process. Do not touch any buttons and do not turn off the target. If the power cuts out now, the device will be bricked. Be patient while the progress bar reaches 100%. There you have it, Canon EOS 2000D, firmware version 1.3.0. Everything is working perfectly. Hit that like button and sub, it won't cost you a thing. If you need help with your specific binary version, leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.